So I'm going to show you how to collaborate on a PowerPoint or a document with another student or with another teacher at the same time using Office 365. So the first thing you need to do as the creator of the document is you're going to go create the document by opening a web browser and go ahead and log into Office 365. And once you've logged in, this is kind of where you're going to pick the app that you want to collaborate in. So whether that's Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you're going to click here. So for example, we're going to work on a Word one. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Word, and it's going to be a new blank document. Now, in order to collaborate in real time, you have to stay on Word Online. You can't edit it in Word on the desktop. Otherwise, only one person can work on it at the same time. So once you have this document and you're ready to share it out with another group member or teacher, you're going to go up here and click Share. And you want to look at your sharing permissions. So right now, anyone with a link can view and edit, and then you can edit or add whatever names you'd like. And define their so start by typing in their last name. And it will give you a drop-down list of all the different people that with that last name or something close to it. And then you can hit send, and that'll send them an email to their Outlook account that will say they're ready to work on the document together. Notice you won't have to save the document, and where it saves is basically as the creator, it'll be under your files under OneDrive. And it will be, you'll scroll down, you'll be able to find that document. And you can rename this when you're in Word Online. But for those of you that it's been shared with, you'll find that same document under Shared with Me. And it will be in this list. Once you've finished collaborating on the document, the next step would be to share it with your teacher. And I'm going to show you how to share it with your teacher using the Class Notebook tool in OneNote. So the next step that you would do is basically close this browser and open up your class notebook. And you're going to go under your name as a student. And your teacher will have designated a place for you to save this presentation. So I'm going to look under Presentations and under my collaboration project, page 1. And right here are instructions on pasting that document that we collaborated on in the box below so my teacher can view it. So to insert that document, you go up here to Insert, File Attachment. It'll ask you what file do you want to add to your page. You're going to scroll up to OneDrive and then go find that file and then click Insert. And I'm just going to select Attach a File, not Insert a Printout. And there you have it. It's right there, and the teacher can now access that document. As a teacher, if you want to see all your students' collaborated projects all quickly, you can use the Review Student Work tool in your OneNote to see their work. So to do that, you go up here to the Class Notebook ribbon and go over to Review Student Work. And I know that I put my presentation under Presentations, so I'm going to click that. And I know that they worked on the collaboration project number 1, so I'm going to expand that. And now I can see Kaylee's, and now I can move over to Dakota's. Now Dakota hasn't put one in yet, and I can make note of that. But as I go to Kaylee's, I can double click that, and it will open up that presentation in Word. You can also have them put it in as a printout once they've attached it like this by right-clicking on the document itself and saying Insert as Printout. And it will put that entire document as a printout on that page where you can give direct feedback to that student using your stylus.